topic of the video is popliteal fossa. We'll see introduction, boundaries, floor, roof and contents of popliteal fossa. Popliteal fossa is a diamond-shaped hollow on back of knee joint. It is prominent on knee flexion. Boundaries are superior-medial, semitendinosus, semimembranosus, superolateral, biceps femoris, inferomedial, medial head of gastrocnemius, inferolateral, lateral head of gastrocnemius along with plantaris. Floor is formed by femur, capsule of knee joint, oblique popliteal ligament, fascia covering popliteus. Roof is formed by strong popliteal fascia. Superficial fascia over roof contains short saphenous vein and 3 cutaneous nerves. Contents are popliteal artery and its branches, popliteal vein and its tributaries, tibial nerve and its branches, common peroneal nerve and its branches, popliteal lymph nodes, popliteal pad of fat.